Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up an APN profile on TCL Linkhub. So first, what you guys want to do is go over if you want to create an APN profile. Here, as you guys can see, we got all of the settings that's needed. We need to go to mobile network and profile management. And here we have the APN. As you guys can see, here we can set it as default. Also, we can click new. Here we can give it a name. So for example, I'll type in hard reset now. The APN, I'ma just put it as internet 2. Here's our username, password, authentication, and IP type. Now you can click save, but it won't work properly. As you guys can see here, we have hard reset, we got it all. And we can create APNs like this. So if you ever need to create your own APN, then this is where you guys can do it. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.